Let's move to our login page now. So in the very top bar of the website, you'll see login. So you can always go to this page to access your membership account. Click login and you can enter your username and email address and log in. You'll be directed to the main account information page where you'll be able to see your username and email. You'll change your password if you need to. You'll also have this button in order to download your resources, which we'll get to shortly. You'll be able to access your membership information, update your billing info, and see past invoices. If you have a monthly membership and you'd like to have an annual membership, you can view all membership options here and then upgrade to an annual membership. I'll return to my account. And then from this page, I'm going to show you how to access your resources. Go ahead and click this button. And this is your main resource page. So at the very top, you're going to have access to the monthly social media content. So you can click either this hyperlink, the title, or the graphic. And in both cases, you will automatically download the zip file with all of the graphics that you need for the whole month, as well as a Word document with all of the social text. So all you have to do is copy and paste, upload the image, and your social media is ready to go. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see what other resources you have access to. So I'm only on day 4 of my membership, so I have access to 3 resources right now: an ebook, PowerPoint, and a webinar. And you can click Available Now, and that will take you to the page which will be able to access your download link. So I'm going back to the main resources page. You'll be able to see here what you're going to have access to the following month. So in this case, there's a PowerPoint, and then there's also going to be an ebook and a webinar, most likely. We'll have at least 3 different resources available every month. So you'll be able to see the date when those become available, and you will also be receiving an email whenever new resources are available.